Hello and welcome back. In this section, we are going to learn more about LinkedIn. This social network is particularly more popular among business professionals, so it is a good platform for B2B marketing. LinkedIn allows creating professional profiles or resumes, which are a good opportunity for both companies and individuals looking for job opportunities. Presently, it is the largest platform for social networking, assisting people with job opportunities. Job seekers can connect and follow hiring managers and can update their profiles in a defined fashion to get easily discovered. One can follow a company, get notifications, bookmark jobs, like and comment others' posts, and invite others on LinkedIn. The best part of LinkedIn is that you can see your recent visitors and endorse other skills. Creating a LinkedIn company page. A LinkedIn company page helps others learn more about your business, brand, products, and services, and job opportunities too. Click the work icon in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Click Create a Company Page. Enter your company name and choose a URL. All company page URLs will be structured as linkedin.com/company/your company name. While the name of your company page does not need to be unique, the public URL of your page cannot be the same as the one that exists on LinkedIn. LinkedIn members and search engines will use this unique URL to find your page. Don't forget to check the verification box to confirm you have the right to act on behalf of that company in the creation of the page. And click the Create Page button. If you don't have a confirmed email address associated with your LinkedIn account, you will be prompted to add and verify your email address. Click Get Started on the Welcome screen to begin editing your company page. A red error message may appear if you have problems adding a company page. Your company page URL must have at least one non-numeric characters, can be a lowercase alphabet, numeric, hyphen, or Chinese, Japanese, Korean Unicode, that is CJK Unicode. Must not include more than one consecutive hyphen and can't have a hyphen at the beginning or end. Any improper characters will be automatically replaced with a hyphen. To publish your company page, you must include a company description of somewhere between 250 to 2000 characters including spaces, and company website URL. Keep in mind that a preview of your company page is not available. When you publish the page, it is live on LinkedIn website. Benefits of a LinkedIn company page. A LinkedIn company page helps you network and prospect your quality sales lead. but it also establishes your public image on a global scale as a reputable and trustworthy organization. It provides your business with the opportunity to tell your company's story, engage with followers, share career opportunities, and scale your word of mouth marketing. Business benefits of using a LinkedIn company page includes creating shareable content that benefits your audience, introducing new products or services you have developed, differentiating yourself from your competitors, finding job candidates who can make a significant contribution to your business success, checking on what your competitor is doing, improving your ranking in search engines. Advertising on LinkedIn. When advertising on LinkedIn, you can get your message in front of the right people when they are most engaged. By using the different targeting options, you can deliver your content to those who matter most to your business. The only mandatory targeting option is location. LinkedIn recommend you add no more than 2 of the targeting facets. Targeting options may include company name, company industry, followers, skills, website visitors, company list, email list, etc. Creating ads on LinkedIn. Campaign Manager is where you will manage and optimize your advertising on LinkedIn. Campaign Manager is where you will manage and optimize your advertising on LinkedIn. Once you create and activate your LinkedIn advertising account, you can start to create and manage your ad campaigns. Now that you are logged into your campaign manager, it's time to create and manage your ad campaigns. Now that you are logged into your campaign manager, it's time to create and manage Now that you are logged into your campaign manager, it's time to create and manage your ads campaign. You can use sponsored content, sponsored in-mail, text ads, or a mix of all three. Sponsored content is native advertising that appears directly in the LinkedIn feeds of professionals you want to reach. Sponsored in-mail is a unique ad format that lets you deliver personalized, relevant content through LinkedIn Messenger. Lastly, text ads. Text ads are simple but compelling pay-per-click or cost per 1,000 impression ads. Create your ads. Once you have selected sponsored content, you will have 3 options. Choose an update from your LinkedIn company page to sponsor. Choose an update from your LinkedIn showcase page to sponsor, or create new sponsored content. If you want to edit an existing update to customize it for a target audience, choose to create a new sponsored content. It's a good idea to create multiple variations of sponsored content so that you can see which messages get the best results. You can use a variety of messages, links, photos, and images to see what works best. To add rich media, click the paperclip icon in the upper right corner of the text box. Once you have created your ad, you can view a preview before saving. If everything looks good, select the content you want to promote within your campaign and click the Sponsored Selected button. Click Next. Moving ahead with Sponsored InMail. Once you have selected Sponsored InMail, enter a campaign name and choose a language for your ads. You will have several options. Choose Sender. The sender's first name, last name, and profile image will appear in the recipient's inbox along with the subject line of the message. Add message subject line and summary. The summary will give your recipients a sneak preview of your message on a desktop. Craft your message. You can add easy personalization like recipient's first name right in the tool. When crafting your sponsored email message content, consider the messaging context of the LinkedIn platform. Keep your subject lines concise, relevant, and conversational. Short and impactful subject lines with a clear value exchange work best. Consider utilizing some of the keywords like thanks, exclusive invitation, connect, opportunity, join us, etc. Humanize your message with conversational language and aim to keep your copy under 1000 characters. Click Next and add your landing page URL and optional hero banner image. Click Next. Moving ahead with a new ad type, that's creating a text ad. Once you have selected the text ads option and named your campaign, you can start creating your ad. First, decide where members should go when they click your ad, whether it's your page on LinkedIn or a specific page on your website. Next, add your image, a headline up to 25 characters and a description up to 75 characters. As you create your ad, you will see a preview on the right side of the page. You can create up to 15 text ads to see which headlines, descriptions, and images get the best results. Let's target your ads. Selecting your audience works the same way regardless of whether you choose sponsored content, sponsored email, or text ads. Set your budget. Now that you have selected your audience, it's time to set the budget for your campaign. There are 3 options: cost per click, cost per impressions, and cost per send, that is CPS. Cost per send is used when you run sponsored email campaigns. You pay for each email that is successfully delivered. CPC is often used for action-oriented campaigns like lead generation, or event registration, whereas the CPM model is typically a better fit when brand awareness is the goal. Measure and optimize your campaign. Now it's time to see how your ads are performing. You can access your analytics by visiting Campaign Manager and selecting the campaigns you want to evaluate. In addition to overall performance, you can also see how your campaigns are performing as it relates to social actions and budget. Social actions are initiated by LinkedIn members who interact with your content. It's organic, free engagement. Click through to each campaign to see how each ad within the campaign is performing. Using this data, you can edit your ads, refine your targeting, adjust your budget, and toggle ad variations on and off based on performance. That's all for LinkedIn marketing.